Hey you guys, welcome back. In today's episode of Project 996, I've got Paul from Tread Connection Minneapolis coming over to install some rubber on these rims. Let's go check it out.
Paul with Tread Connection Minneapolis. Back here, I have the privilege today of working on the 996. It's going to be awesome. Looking forward to putting some tires and wheels on there. So we brought the tire shop right here, and we're going to get the wheels and tires mounted up on the project car, so it'll be ready to rock and roll here. If you need the tire shop brought to your house, tires, wheels, we do it all. Give me a call. Our website has got tons of tires on it now, so it looks awesome. Treadconnection.com. My phone number is 763-843-3029.
One of the things I love about Tread Connection is the fact that they come to you. Doesn't matter if you're at home, if you're at a family member's place, you need a tire, whether you're at the office and you want all four of them swapping out, Tread Connection come to you. The service is fantastic. You can make reservations online, you can choose tires online. If they don't have the tires that you want online, with your reservation request, just ask them and tell them the tires you want. They'll get hold of them and they'll bring them to you and they'll get them installed. The service is fantastic. This is probably the 5th or 6th time Paul has come out in the past year to either swap my winters and the summers in reverse or to give me some new tires. He's always on time. He's always nice and happy. A really great guy to work with. I can't recommend Tread Connection enough. Well guys, that's it for another Project 996 video. Thanks for checking in. A huge thank you to Paul at Tread Connection for giving me these beautiful tires to go on these equally beautiful rims. More videos coming up soon. The rush to get the car ready for Monday's paint job is just ever present. We've got to put the wheels on, the brakes on, not in that order. We've got to put the stainless steel hoses on. We've got to hook them up. We've got to screw the tranny in properly. We've got to get the car started. We haven't yet had it started. So there's a lot of pressure, a lot of stuff coming this week. And then Monday is going in for a paint job. And I can't wait to see what that turns out to be like. So thanks for checking in. See you in another video soon. Take care. Bye.